So apparently, guys, I got off a taxi like 2 minutes ago at Stepford Central, and now they're able to build one over here. Anyways, it's Chris Davis. This is a Stepford Central review. Yeah, like I said, I got off a taxi then. Strange. Just underground hallway. Don't like it so far. Let's take the elevator. The elevator's not working? Come on. Make the elevators work. What? Ooh, I like this. This is really cool. Hold on a second. Sorry. Let's go up here. And wow. This is incredible. Okay, guys, I'm done RPing. Role playing, I should say. Like I said, this is just incredible. So now here is the this
platform 11 for the 1404
Stepford Central Railway.
Stepford Victoria.
Now here is
City Hospital, Financial Quarter,
just another way to get up.
Stepford Victoria. Yeah. This train has 4 coaches.
A huge map over here, and that guy's late for his job. Anyways, here's airline crew that's over here. Why didn't even stop? Yeah, this is all about the review though of Stepford Central. So this is platform management office. Got train on platform 4. This is a really good viewing place, and it's a really good viewing place. They got a new signaling booth up there. Yeah. How lucky are they? No express trains. Oh,
the train now approaching platform 5 terminates here. This train is the service from Benton.
What? Oh, it just goes here.
Platform 4 for the 1406 Stepford Connect service to Whitefield.
Office.
Calling at Stepford East.
I like this though.
Whitefield Lido, Stepford UFC, Woodhead Lane, Horton Rake,
Let's go this way. It's weird though.
This train has 4 coaches.
That's the way to taxi. Sprint. This is the Central Mall area where we have those buildings and shops.
1408 Stepford Connect service to Port Benton.
Excuse me.
Stepford East.
There's a way to enter between
Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, and Port Benton. This train has 5 coaches.
I'm wondering. Oh, this is. Wait, that is the Stepford Victoria track. Several Victorias over there. Wow. It's probably still being developed. It'll be a wonder what it will be. And here's arches. Central. 2 up platforms. Alright, and then I got this sad little billboard here saying, because this is one of the trains on. Yeah. I went to this Stepford Victoria train. That's the whole railway map right there. If you want to take a screenshot, take it.
The train now approaching platform 4 terminates here.
Probably we're taking it right now. Alright, so surprise there. It's in this. Platforms 10. So we got here. Hold on a second. This says platforms. C. Code. Oh, there it is. Ding.
Platform 11 for the
Yep.
1408 Stepford Connect service to Stepford, Victoria. Calling at City Hospital,
That's my train.
Financial Quarter, and Stepford, Victoria. This train has 4 coaches. Comes into distance. Platform 4 for the 1411 Stepford Connect service to Leighton Stepford Road. Calling at
This is insane, though,
Stepford
guys.
East, St. Helens
I
Bridge,
think I see
Angel Pass,
taxis. No, it's
Bowden,
not. There's taxis on the
Croxley,
other side, isn't it?
Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Rocket
Serious?
Parade, and Leighton Stepford Road. This train has 5 coaches.
Okay.
You want to try this traffic grid? It's in there.
Okay.
If you want to try it, it's in there.
Okay. As guys, hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more contents like this. This is a little more it's quiet and it's not really quiet, but
Your attention, please.
yep.
The
A little more
1409 Stepford Connect service to Stepford,
quicker video,
Victoria
but
has been cancelled. This is due to
this
a
video
member
is
of
just a
train crew
boring
being
video. I don't
unavailable.
review any of it, or a lot of it. Still things to come. So I'll check on the station every update. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also, let me know down in comments what if there's any more things you want me to review. Games and if there's any places I don't know. If I'm updated, let me know so I can review it. See ya.